Hey everyone, it's that time of year, spring cleaning. And one important task on your to-do list should be cleaning your gutters. I know, it's not the most exciting chore, but trust me, it's necessary. First things first, clogged gutters can lead to serious damage to your home. When debris and leaves build up, water can't properly flow through, causing it to overflow and potentially damage your roof and foundation. That's a big headache and even bigger expense to fix. But it's not just about protecting your home. It's also about keeping things looking good. Like, let's be real, no one wants to see a plant growing out of their gutter or experience the unpleasant smell of stagnant water. So do yourself a favor, grab a sturdy ladder, some gloves, and get those gutters cleaned out. Trust me, it'll save you a lot of hassle and money in the long run. Happy spring cleaning!